Now earlier I have told you about the double pole switches, okay, and in the double pole switches, live and neutral wire can both be connected and disconnected simultaneously. And this dual control switch which we find in our staircases is a special case of double pole switch. So what happens here, how it works, we will study from here. See here this diagram, okay. Here in case A, the bulb is in off condition because the circuit is broken, okay. Here it is broken, here it is broken. Because the circuit is broken, the circuit is in off condition or the bulb is not glowing. In this diagram you can see there are two switches, switch S1 and switch S2. Suppose at the bottom of a staircase we have switch S1 and at the upper side of the staircase we have switch S2. We can operate this switch or put this switch in on condition from both the sides. Now suppose if the switch S1 is put on, then this A to B will move to B to C. Now you can see here the circuit was broken, but now in this case, in case B, if we are taking the supply from live wire here and it is being continued till the end, anywhere the circuit is not broken, so this bulb will glow because we have put switch S1 in on condition. Now comparing this A condition to this C condition, okay. In this A condition you can see the bulb is in off condition because both the switches are off. Now in this C condition you can see when we are putting switch S2 in on condition, what will happen, this in switch S2, if we are putting it on, this C to B condition will move to B to A condition, okay. B to C will move to B to A. Here you can see C to B has moved to B to A. Here if you are checking for whether the circuit is complete or not, you just take a round here. Here you can see the circuit is not broken anywhere, so again the bulb will blow because we have switched it on from switch S2. In the case B we have switched on S1, in case C we have switched on the switch S2. In either case the bulb is working because we can operate it from two different positions, or we can have the control on this bulb from two different control switches. It is known as dual control switch.